Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see how you can get the premium finance certification courses offered by Financial Analyst, a platform that is 365 Financial Analyst platform for absolutely free of cost. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And just a small update regarding Coursera Plus. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, University of Illinois, and a lot more companies and universities are offering courses via Coursera platform. So if you want to buy any course in Coursera, instead of buying that single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription, because with the subscription you will get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses. You'll also get job ready certificate programs, and you can also get guided projects. So you will get all these things with one single subscription. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus subscription. So now let's move on and see how you can get premium 365 financial analyst courses for absolutely free of cost. So they have nearly 40 plus courses across different topics. So you can learn about Excel, math for finance, accounting and financial statement analysis. You have courses like these, equity valuation, fundamentals of financial markets, and then you have corporate finance course, investment banking course, multiples valuation, discounted cash flow valuation, portfolio management, fixed income investments, derivatives, alternative investments, and there are a lot more courses available for you in this platform, and all these are premium level courses which are taken by experts around the world. Now you have an opportunity to get this for free. And before we see that, I just want to tell you that they have also created 3 career tracks using these courses. I mean, with these courses they have 3 career tracks. So if you want to become a financial analyst, you can just check out their financial analyst career tracks, which comes with 10 courses, which is a kind of package. You will get to know all the things you need to become a financial analyst. And then they have a investment analyst career track and investment banker career track as well. So now let us see how you can get all the courses inside these career tracks for free of cost. So currently they are giving all these courses for 100% free. So you can get unlimited access to all the finance courses. It's absolutely free, and this offer might expire anytime. You can see here the timer which is running here. So you have until March 21st of 2023 to get this offer and get all the courses, all the career tracks for free of cost. So with these courses, you will receive the same training as new hires in top level companies get, and you can develop your skills in Excel, PowerPoint, accounting, financial modeling, valuation, financial reporting, portfolio management, equity and fixed income investments. And once you complete the course, you can also get your course completion certificate as well. This will also be useful for you. Now let us see how you can get this offer and get the courses for absolutely free. So all you need to do is just fill out the form that you see here in the right side. So just give your name, email address and set a password for your account. Just agree to their terms and conditions. Click on the sign up to continue, and you'll be able to get the courses for free. It's a simple process. Or else you can also use your Google account or Facebook account or LinkedIn account to create your account and log into it. So that's the first step. So we need an account in this platform. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So that's it. Now I have logged into my account. We can take the courses for free, and here you can see the timer as well until when you have the opportunity to get the courses for free. So now what you have to do is just move on to this career track section. Click on career tracks tab, and here in this page you can see the career tracks which we saw. Financial analyst is here, and then investment analyst, and then here you can see investment banker. So these are the 3 different career tracks. So you can choose the one which is appropriate for you. For example, I'll go with financial analyst career track. So click on this view details, and once you click on view details, it will take you to the particular career track page, and here you can see how many courses are there, how many courses are included, and how many hours of video content is available for you. And you can also see that you can get your certificate of achievement once you complete the entire career track. And apart from that certificate, you can also get individual courses certificate. So we'll get to the certificates part later. So coming back to this particular career track, once you scroll down, Here you can see the courses which are included in the career track which you choose. So you can see here whether it is optional or required one as well. So these are the different courses which are included in this particular financial analyst career track which I chose, and there are some electives as well. So you can just choose any course out of this list given here. So it's up to you. So for this particular career track, they have two different electives, so you can choose that. And after you complete the course, you just need to take some exams, or which are normal tests. Once you complete that test, you can get your career track certificate. So that will be an added bonus for you. You can just share it in LinkedIn. You can also share it in your resume as well. So I just showed you financial analyst career track for an example. You can choose any career track out of this list: financial analyst, investment banker. You can just choose anything that you want. And once you are done with the course, you can also go to the certificates tab, and here you can see that there are two different sections: course certificates, career track certificates. So once you pass the exam, you will be able to get your career track certificate as well. Similarly, for course also, they have a short exam. So once you complete any one course, you can come to this place and click on this course exams. And for example, if you are completing this statistics course, you can simply click on the start exam and complete your exam. And once you pass that, they will give you a certificate for this particular course. So you can get your certificate for individual courses as well as for career tracks. So make use of it. You can get all these courses for free. And if you go to the courses tab, here you can see all the courses which are available for free. And if you just scroll down, some courses will be logged, which means these courses cannot be accessed using this particular offer, but you can access all other courses. Only 9 courses are excluded in this offer. Apart from that, all other courses are included. So you can also come to this page and choose any individual course if you want, and you can just complete it. You can learn from it, and you can also get your certificate once you complete the exam. So I hope you will find this offer very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.